stress and tension about sleeping. If you want to know the truth, please listen to this. My name is Fatima from classicalhealing.com. Stress and tension are common types of medical conditions that can make the daily living of a person miserable and sad. These medical conditions can be treated, but it takes a lot of time to remove all its negative effects in the daily living of a person who doesn't know how to achieve a good quality of sleep as the time passes by. One of the most effective treatments that people can use to fight and eliminate the negative effects of stress and tension in their daily living is to rely on all benefits that excellent bedtime routine can offer. Relaxing bedtime routine is something that can help a person to relax and stay free from the negative effects of tiredness while preparing to sleep. Aside from that, good quality of sleep can provide a person with a better way of living since it plays an important role in balancing the most important growth hormones in a human body. It will never fail the expectations of those individuals who want to grow healthier and strong as the time passes by, regardless of the presence of tough tasks and responsibilities that are meant to be completed in their daily living. Better sleep works better than synthetic medicine. Stress and tension will never be able to survive in the amazing healing benefits that good quality of sleep can provide in a human body. Remember, it helps a human body to be rejuvenated naturally every morning. It can also preserve the excellent status of the mental health of a person as the time passes by. But a person doesn't need to sleep for more than 8 hours every night while aiming to fight the negative effects of stress and tension more efficiently. This is because too much sleep can make all negative effects of stress and tension in a human body worse and more difficult to treat. Excessive sleep is not good for those people who want to be protected from the negative effect of chronic diseases as well. Many people in this world believe that synthetic medicine is the only thing that can help a patient to fight the negative effects of stress and tension more effectively. But such belief is a big mistake. This is because synthetic medicines are not really safe and effective to use in the process of treating a patient who suffers from stress and tension. Such type of medicines have harmful side effects that can make all things more dangerous when it comes to the process of eliminating the negative effects of medical conditions that were stated in the body of a patient. Having good sleeping habits is one of the most effective ways on how to fight stress and tension naturally. Those people who don't know how to improve their sleeping habits will never be able to protect themselves from the different kinds of sleep disorders that stress and tension might create in their health status. Remember, stressful moments and tension are included in the list of medical conditions that can also affect the ability of an individual to fall asleep faster during evening hours.